This is my '09 BMW 335i. Has the xenon headlight. I've done some modification on them. Nonetheless, the turn signal is factory and it's burned out. So I'm going to take the bumper off, get the headlight out, and replace the module. I'm going to start with a T30 on these top bolts. Be mindful of these little inserts. Sometimes they come right out. Some mine are stuck in there pretty good though. There are some 8mm across the bottom of the bumper and in the wheel well liner that connect to the bumper. Got to get all those off. On both sides, there's two bolts up underneath. You got to pull the liner back a good little ways to get to them. One here and one there. You get up from underneath there. They're a star bit on mine. Then you want to pull the bumper away from the headlight and slide it forward. Just pop it loose and then work your way to the middle so you can, I'm going to get a cushion to put on the ground to set it down on. Now that I've got my headlight out, this is the unit I'm taking out. Again, these are star bit heads. That's all there are, three. Sometimes these are kind of glued in place. Not glued, but sealed. And you simply remove the whole unit. Push this little tab down and get her unplugged. So, and then you just slide your new unit in. Evidently, my LEDs are out. I'm going to put my new one in now. Got your new one. Mine, this is a used one. Plug it in there, and I'm going to slide it into place, and I'm going to test it because I'm not going to put it all back together and find out it's not working or not plugged in right. So just give it a plug it into the car and real quick and give it a little test. That's going just right. Don't force it if it doesn't feel right because you probably got something in the way. Bingo, it works. So I got a used one just because I found one out of a headlight I bought from a salvage yard for some donor parts when I was fabricating these custom headlights I did here. Anyway, so I got that there installed. Pretty easy once you get it out. Pain in the butt getting the bumper off, but you can do this yourself. It's about an hour job or so. And just wiggle the headlight back in there, get it bolted back up, get the bumper back on, and you're legal again. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching. I got tons more videos coming out. Have a great one.